Alright. Welcome back to Toyz channel, everyone. Today I'm going to unbox the Cos Baby WandaVision Scarlet Witch figure, which I've got right here. Today was the release date of this figure and I went out at lunchtime to get it, and it's an absolutely amazing Cos Baby figure, and I'll let you guys know why pretty soon down the video. And please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know what you think of it. Without further ado, let's get cracking. Right away you can see the box is absolutely phenomenal to look at. As I'm slightly tilting it, you can see the reflection kind of changing the colors, and that's very reminiscent of the glitchy effects that we see on the show. It's definitely a blast as to how the team has created this packaging. And on the side you can see an illustration of the figure itself as to how they've conceptualized it in the beginning before production. And what I love about this figure is that you have the Scarlet Witch levitating and using some of the magic to lift up the rocks, as we've seen in the show finale, which was an amazing episode. And moving on to the back, we have the usual T&Cs and cautions and warning signs, and the Marvel sticker at the bottom for licensing. On the other side it reads "A love like you've never seen," which is again from the show. As you can see vaguely from the reflection, that the glitchy effect has also been applied to the cardboard layer, and it's a very neat touch as to what they've done with the box again, and I really like this aesthetics. And at the top you can see the WandaVision logo, and also with the shiny glitchy effect as well. So without further ado, let's get opening, because I'm sure all of you guys can't wait. Be very careful when you open it, because the pieces are not attached together, so you have to assemble it. So let's go through the base first. As you can see, they've put the effort of applying the WandaVision logo onto the base, unlike some of the previous Cos Baby figures that we have. And also you have the very tiny Marvel Studios logo as well on top. And on the bottom it's just conventional Hot Toys copyright blah blah blah. Next up we have the actual effects piece itself, so you can kind of plug this hole at the bottom to the base, and let me do that right now. Okay, as such. And I would presume that they will be using the same base for other WandaVision figures as well. Otherwise, because I don't see why they have printed this WandaVision logo here when it's completely being blocked by this effects piece. As you can see, the rock levitating by the red chaos magic is very cool. And the star of the show, the Scarlet Witch herself. So let's remove this piece of plastic. Here we go. So as you can see right away, you can see her crown or tiara. It's got a shiny paint of kind of crimson pink color applied to it, and it looks very cool, and it definitely sets itself apart from the skin tone as well as the color of the hair. The glowing red eyes will align with the hand piece as well as the effects piece that are glowing red as well from the Chaos Magic. Again, they've done a really good job at sculpting her hairstyle as well as some of the finer details in terms of the different patches of hairs. And in terms of color wise, you can see this slight dark blondish color that they've used for the paint. It works very well. It definitely brings out the contrast between her outfit as well as the skin tone and the color of the hair. Moving to her outfit, similar to the show, that it is of a very dark purple or a very dark crimson red color, and it's got a bit of a lighter touch upon some of the pieces, as you can see here. And I wouldn't say it's pink, it's more of a dark purplish color. And onto the hands, you can see the glowing red Chaos Magic hands. It's very well sculpted on the legs, as you can see here. It clearly shows that levitating gesture where Scarlet Witch is flowing in the air. And also for her boots and trousers, they're synchronized together in the same color and tone. As you can see here, the hole on the back, it can be plugged into the effects piece, and let me do that right now. And as usual, Cos Baby's heads, they do wobble around a bit. And for this one, it's a bit on the stiffer side, but it's actually a good thing because some of my other Cos Babies have really wobbly heads. At the bottom, you can see kind of the spring that's holding it together. And let's put this together with the effects piece. It's actually not too tight, loose enough to fit it easily. There we are. Wow, this actually looks pretty cool. So let me put it onto the spinner and let you guys see it in its full glory. Overall, I really like this figure as the colors are spot on for the outfit, and what I love most is that her face and expression and the colors of the eyes are really well done, as well as the hair and the outfit is really well sculpted. It's definitely one of my favorite Cos Baby pieces to date because of the sheer effort the team has put into creating this figure, and also because of the effects that it comes with, as well as her pose. It's just really well thought out. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more goodness and greatness. And until next time, stay safe.